Greetings Jeepers, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a driver's side seat frame on 1947 CJ2A Willys Jeep. All parts mentioned this video from CJ-2A Make sure you use Jeep 10 at discount, get 10% off your next order. Now it's time to install a driver's side seat frame. The seat frame will rest right on top of the gas tank and it'll line up with that hole on the right leg. The hole has been drilled for the right leg on our driver's side seat frame. The measurements are as follows. From the box wall, we measure and we get 20 inches. And now measure from the side wall and you get 25 3/8 of an inch to the center of the hole. The bolts you're going to need to install the driver's side seat frame are as follows. A 5/16 inch coarse thread bolt, 1 inch long, with a lock washer, 2 washers, and a nut, and there will be 3 of them. Now install the bolt and the washer through the hole on the front right leg, through the hole in the tub. The first bolt is now installed in the seat frame. The measurement of the bolt that I provided you actually sets the seat frame in the correct spot, and you come over here at the rear support bracket right here that's actually welded to the tub will rest on the rear of the seat. As you can see, it rests perfectly on that support bracket. The support bracket that the rear of the seat does sit on does support the corner of the seat. Now we're going to get our trusty old Sharpie and mark some holes. We'll mark the rear right hole, get the center, that mark. Now we'll have to drill this hole out. And now we'll move and mark the front left hole, make that mark right in the center. And we'll drill this hole out as well. Now remove the seat, remove the left leg bolt. With the bolt removed, now pull off the seat so we can drill those holes. Where I marked the right rear leg, use a punch so your drill bit doesn't drift. Use a 1/8 inch drill bit to pre-drill the hole. Now use a 5/16 inch drill bit to drill out the hole. This hole is now drilled. Now we have to move to the left seat leg. Now it is time to reinstall the driver's side seat frame and get those holes lined up so we can install those bolts. Install the bolt on the front right leg. Now install the bolt on the right rear leg. Finally install the bolt on the front left leg. The 3 bolts have been installed on the 3 legs on the driver's side seat frame. Now it's time to install the washer, lock washer, and nut on the underside of the tub to secure the 3 bolts down and secure the seat frame to the tub. Now go underneath and secure the nuts. Underneath, install the washer, lock washer, and nut onto that bolt. Use a 1/2 inch socket and a ratchet to tighten the bolt on the top. And then on the nut side, we're going to use a 1/2 inch wrench and we're going to hold it at the bottom and tighten this until it's snug. Move to the front right leg and use the socket to tighten down the bolt from the top and use the wrench from underneath to hold that nut, and we'll tighten this until it's snug. Lastly, move to the rear right leg and tighten that bolt down with your wrench underneath holding that nut and tighten until it's snug. And that's the install a driver's side seat frame on 1947 CJ2A Willys Jeep. Make sure to watch my other video where I teach you how to install a passenger side seat frame and the cushions for both seat frames. Make sure to use Jeep 10 at CJ2A to get 10% off your next order.